access clock settings, press the Setting button. Then touch Clock. Or if your vehicle is equipped with this screen, touch Others. Then touch Clock. To manually adjust the time, touch the arrows on these offset keys to adjust the hours and minutes up or down. Touch On-Screen Clock to toggle the display of the clock on the screen on or off. Touch Clock Format to select the hour format of the clock. When the indicator next to the word On is illuminated, the clock will display in 24-hour format. When the indicator is not illuminated, the clock will display in 12-hour format. Touch Daylight Savings Time to enable or disable the use of Daylight Savings Time when using the navigation system to set the clock. Touch Time Zone to select from a list of time zones when you wish to override the location used by the navigation system when displaying the time. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.